Hello everyone, welcome back to another sci-fi vid. Today we are doing Star Trek Online, but this time we are doing tutorials. If you like these vids, please hit that like button, and if you wish to get caught up, please enjoy and hit that subscribe button. Until then, let's get right to the video. And why hello once again, we are back. This time, now I'm going to take you all the way to here, to the shipyard. Now, there are several areas where you can go on the station, even on the planet. But this is for the Federation side, and I'm going to tell you the side of the Federation before I do the side of the other four factions. Now, you have four different things. You have customization, acquired, switch or manage, and requisition, basically your equipment, the weapon systems, yada yada yada. We are going to look at the acquired. Basically, the acquired ship tab has two types of things. Get a new starship, or what is the different ship types? That's your question. Basically, you ask the question, they tell you. Get a new starship type, and you have three. You have different types of vessels, including light cruisers, but also special vessels such as Romulan class ships, and even Dominion or Klingon class ships, or Andorian or other species, depending on your role. Now, you have several types. Besides warbirds, you have three: escorts, cruisers, and science vessels. The cruisers being the giant warships like the Star Trek Enterprise ship from the many Enterprise series, such as the Galaxy class and the other types. The science vessels are the small class like the Voyager class. The Voyager class, I believe, is a science vessel. Yes, the Voyager class. And then we have the Escort class, the small class like the, I believe the Dominion, during the Dominion War, the Defiant was a escort class cruiser, escort class ship, small and usable, very usable. Now, each one has their own uniqueness, their own type of level way. Like this one, you have to be a lieutenant to have this type of cruiser. As for this one, you have to be a lieutenant commander, and so forth and so forth. Each one has different rank, and goes up either way. All the way up to, I believe, let's get all the way up there. Get all the way up to Vice Admiral, or Fleet Tier 6, where I am not at. I am currently a Vice Admiral, level 52. And of course, during the ship requirements, you choose different tasks. Now, customization is basically your paint job for your ship, or the way your ship looks like. As you can see, I have a Ambassador class ship, similar to the Galaxy class, but is not. Now, in different ways, the interior, basically what's inside your ship, and the material, basically what your ship would look like. And then the windows, where your ship's windows would be. It's kind of useless to where your windows will be. It's not really that much, but it's an aesthetic that you will like, possibly. Then we have the template. If we can open it. Basically the templates, basically. This is the Ambassador class templates. There are other templates, if I can get this ship right. But, each ship has their own template, and then it pays Zen, basically the local currency. Well, local currency is energy credits, but Zen is basically like your gold or platinum. Then you have your ship, managed ship, basically whatever ship you can choose. So far, I had several. I had this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, as you can tell, they're all cruiser class, because I am more of a fighter type guy. Fighter type, and you can choose whatever you wish. And then we have the requisition ship and equipment. basically your starship, weapons, equipment, and shuttle equipment. And or purchase consumables, basically what you use, like this, Tribble. What you use for your character. And only your character or your other characters in the thing. And I believe that is about it for the shipyard. Until then, if you like the videos, until then, see you all guys later for the next one.